Where does the name for Llanfairfechan come from? So today I'm in Llanfairfechan. It's a town in Conwy County on the north coast. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down a little bit first. First we have Llan. Now Llan is an area of land or a settlement attached to a church. Then we have Fair, which is the soft mutation of Mair, which means Mary, as in Jesus' mum. And then we have Fechan. Now Fechan is the soft mutation of Bechan, which is an older form of the word bach, which means small. So if this is Llanfairfechan, the small church of Mary, where is Llanfairfawr, the big church of Mary? Well, actually, that's St Mary's in Conwy. Now this gives me an opportunity to talk about the etymology of the name Mair, or in English Mary. Now, ultimately in both of those languages it comes through Greek, Maria, meaning Mary, from Aramaic, Mariam, which was the name of Jesus' mum. Now there's three theories as to what that name actually means. The first one is that it's from the root mr, which means bitter, which doesn't sound right to me. Then we have the root mrya, which means rebellious, which is a bit more likely. But the most interesting one is that it was potentially borrowed into Aramaic from ancient Egyptian, Meri, meaning beloved, and Amun, which is the name of one of the gods, so the beloved of Amun. Send this video to any Marys, Myers, Marys or Miriams that you know and let them know that they might be the beloved of Amun. So the name literally means the settlement or patch of land attached to the smaller church of Mary. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. I appreciate it. Diolch, have a good one.